Tariff news moves exceptionally fast. Earlier this morning, May 29, 2025, I had posted about how an international trade court had decided to say no to the Trump administration tariff policies and essentially revoke and say that they were illegal. Well, as of a few minutes ago, the Trump administration had put in an appeal earlier this morning as well, and the appeal court decided to say yes, it is legal and that the Trump administration can continue to collect the tariffs under the emergency powers law, at least for now. So earlier this morning, we had talked about this, and the Trump administration had decided, hey, let's put forward a couple of different appeals. Let's try and get this solved immediately. I had actually said within my video one particular thing earlier this morning, which was, I'll play this now, of the year. This is going to take months for these appeals to go through. And again, I said it would take months for the appeals to go through. And how silly of me to say such a thing, because as we can see here and now, that is just not the case. These appeals, it took, if not even months, a couple of hours, actually. So what do you do now? Well, I think that essentially my strategy when I was talking this morning was essentially, hey, order inventory now while you can. This is going to take months. I don't think that really changes now, especially with the fact that tariffs are likely just not going anywhere. But we're back to that 90-day deadline that we had beforehand, which means essentially we're back to exactly where we were, except it's not where we were because there's still a lot of different tariffs and levies against different categories that are hurting people quite a bit. So I suppose for now, people are going to have to deal with that, but I still say it is a great time if you are going to be purchasing inventory to do so prior to that 90-day tariff relief being up, because we don't know where any of this is going to go and if tariffs are actually going to stay, if they're not going to stay, and you better just be careful rather than not. So if any other news decides to come up around this, I will keep you posted on it.